All right, today we are learning the G chord. The G chord is probably the first real tricky chord you learn because it's three fingers going down on the fretboard, and they kind of squeeze together a lot. So when we go to the G chord, the first thing I always do is say start with your first finger, then your second finger, then your third. As you can see, you've got finger 1, 2, and 3 right here. So you're going to use these three fingers. What strings are you going to use? Well, for the first finger, that's going to go on the second fret of the third string, which is the one, not the closest one to your face. That would be this one here, the fourth string, but the third string right there. It's also your lowest pitch string. So check that sounds nice and clear. Then you're going to take your second finger, your middle finger, and you're going to slide that onto the second fret of the first string. That's the one that's closest to the ground. So you see there's the second string right here is remaining open right now, but not for long because you're going to take your ring finger, third finger, and you're going to put that on the third fret of the second string. So you get this little kind of upside down triangle like it's standing on the point. Once again, check that every note is ringing clearly. So you go down at each one, and then you strum it like so. All right, that's your G chord right there.